Solve the equation 64 in x minus 64 in minus x with a given condition here. So first of all, let me find x here from the first equation. So we have here 8 in exponent x minus 8 in minus x is equal to 3 divided by 2. Let's substitute. Let u is equal with 8 in exponent x. And we are substituting here, this is going to get this form. This equation is going to get this form here. Minus u in minus 1 is equal with 3 divided by 2. Okay, so now we are going this one here to rearrange a little bit better. Let me rearrange. U minus 1 over u is equal with 3 divided by 2. Now everything I'm going to multiply by 2u. And what we get? 2u times u is a 2u square. Minus 2u times 1 is 2u divided by u. U by u can simplify, and this can minus 2 is equal 2u times 3 is a 6u divided by 2 is a 3u. And in order to solve this equation, we have to make one side with a 0, this polynomial. So 2u square, this we are moving to the other side, minus 3u minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. If we are solving this quadratic equation, and if we are solving, we can, with the quadratic formula, we can get as follows. So b is a minus 3, and minus b here is a 3, plus minus. I'm going to take a shortcut because I think this is easy part. 3 squared is a 9, minus 4 times ac, minus 4 times 2 minus 8, times a minus 2 is a plus 16, and 2 times a, 2 times 2 is a 4. And u is going to be equal. 3 is a plus minus. 9 plus 16, 25. Square root of 25 is a 5, divided by 4. So one solution is going to be 3 plus 5a divided by 4 is 2. And the other solution, u is a 3 minus 5 minus 2 divided by 4 is a minus 1.5. So those are two solutions. And we are going now to get to substitute u with the x. We already know, we substituted early, u is equal with the 8x. So I'm going to rewrite here. And 8x now is equal with u. U is a 2. But this 8x I can write as a 2 cubic times x is equal with a 2 in 1. And this implies 2 in a 3x is equal with 2 in 1. And if we are going with ln, or we are taking a shortcut, if the base is the same, the powers are the same. It means 3x is equal with 1. We divide everything by 3, and x is equal with 1 over 3. So this is a solution for the x. But we didn't solve everything because we have to find this equation here, 64x minus 64 in minus x, what it is. And if we are plugging this minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2 is, so this one is not going to yield a real solution. If we are taking this 8x and we are substituting minus 1 over 2 is no real solution. So therefore we are going to solve just to find just a real solution, to find this with a real solution. And what is going to be now this equation? This 64x minus 64 minus x. Okay, so let me rewrite here and let me change the color because I wrote with a black color. So we have a 64 in a x minus 64 minus x is equal with what? So 64 in a x I can write as 64 1/3. And this is a minus 64 and minus 1/3 is equal. 64 and 1/3 is a cubic root. So, but I can write as a cubic root of a 64. But 64 I can write as a 4 cubic. 4 times 4, 16 times 4 is 63. And this 64 in minus 1/3 I can write as a 1 over cubic root of 4 cubic is equal. Cubic with a cubic goes, and here a cubic with a cubic goes. What do I have? I have a 4 minus 1 over 4 is equal. And this one, the base is a 4. 4 times 4 is a 16. Minus 1 is equal with a 15 divided by 4. In other words, 64 in a x minus a 64 in a minus x is going to be equal with a 15 divided by 4. So this is our answer.